In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Smartsheet data into Excel. If you're looking to export your data effortlessly from Smartsheet to Microsoft Excel, you've come to the right place. First, find the specific sheet or report in Smartsheet that contains the data you're interested in exporting. This might seem obvious, but taking a moment to ensure you're accessing the correct document will save you time and prevent any potential mix-ups later on. Once you're in that sheet or report, you'll need to navigate to the File menu. The File menu is typically located at the top of your screen when you're using Smartsheet. After you locate and click on it, you'll see a list of different options appear. Among these, look for the option labeled Export. Click on Export, and you'll be presented with a few additional export choices. In this context, we're most interested in Export to Microsoft Excel, so go ahead and select that. This selection will initiate the download of an .xlsx file to your computer. This file format is specifically designed for Microsoft Excel, making it the optimal choice for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your data during the transition from Smartsheet. Once the download is complete, you can open this .xlsx file directly in Excel. One of the major advantages of exporting your data from Smartsheet to Excel is the compatibility between the two programs' layout structures. Smartsheet's grid layout is inherently similar to Excel's, which means your data will generally maintain its format and structure when it appears in Excel. This feature greatly minimizes the need for reformatting once the data is in Excel, ensuring a seamless transition. At this point, you should have your Smartsheet data open and visible in Excel. From here, you are free to utilize all of Excel's robust features, whether it's applying analytical functions, creating pivot tables, or generating charts to visualize your data. This export process fundamentally enhances your ability to manipulate and analyze your Smartsheet data in powerful new ways using Excel's diverse toolkit. To wrap things up, this straightforward process of exporting from Smartsheet to Excel is an invaluable skill. It allows for greater flexibility in managing and presenting your data efficiently. Whether you're preparing a report or conducting a detailed analysis, knowing how to transition your data smoothly from Smartsheet to Excel is essential. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this demo helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did, and subscribe for more informative tutorials.